How to edit video in Canva. Editing videos with Canva boosts their appeal and makes them more engaging for your audience. So first thing is we're going to go to our Canva homepage, and then from here you're going to go and select this one here. We're going to click video and scroll down, and then you will be able to find mobile video, Facebook video, Instagram reel, and other easy to assemble videos here. So say for example what I'm going to do is a mobile video. I'm going to click this one here. And then from here, what you're going to do is you can upload your own video or files here. You can just click images, videos, for example, or even an audio. So say for example, here I'm in my video. I'm going to go here in the files and then just basically drag and drop it here. There you go. So now it is uploading. Or you can also access thousands of templates and video stocks already available here in Canva. All you have to do is just go here in the design, and then you're just basically going to type or search any kind of video topics that you want. Say for example, what I want right now is sports. I'm just going to click enter. And then from here, I can choose basically a lot of free options available. I can use this for free. Some are premium, some you needs to have like a pro account. So say for example, I just want to use the free versions. For example, here, I'm just going to click this one. And basically, I'm going to just drag it here. There you go. I've dragged it in my timeline. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is add more videos. Say for example, here, I'm just going to put it. And then let's try to find something else. There you go. So I've added 4 videos now. And what I'm going to do is just go right here on my first one and then try to check if everything is fine. And what I'm going to do from this point forward is basically just change the styles here, or the text. Say for example, the text here, I'm just going to type what they're doing. So the first one is called battle rope. So I'm going to change that, and then I'm just going to adjust the font here. Okay, there you go. And the same thing here, I'm going to change it as well. Alright, so that's just basically what I'm going to do. Okay, so basically that's what I want. Then I can just hit play. Alright, so that's what I want. Now, say for example, you want to add a transition. All you have to do really is just right click this one and then click this, add transition. And then you can put this wherever you want. Say for example, I'm going to put this in the middle of here. Alright, there you go. So I've now added transition. The same thing here. I'm going to choose something. So this is an option. It's not really very much advisable to have so much transition in just one video, but this is just something that I'm going to show you in order for you to learn. Now, say for example, you want to cut some part of this video. All you have to do is right click and click split page, or you can also click S on your keyboard. Say for example here. So I just pressed my S in the keyboard, and then I was able to split 2 videos. Now I'm going to click go back, and then let's try playing it this time. Okay, there you go. Now from this point forward, what you can do is just click this one, and then you will be able to download it or share it on any media that you want. And yes, congratulations, that's basically how you're going to edit video in Canva. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.